Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Bojan Dulabic here. So, are you looking for some interesting lights for just a few bucks? Stay tuned. I went to my local dollar store, Dollarama, and I got these interesting neon lights for just a few dollars. And I also got these string lights that can be put into various places and shaped into all kinds of things. And I also used this humidifier that I purchased earlier for $12. I made a video on this guy as well. And these are some of the things I came up with. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, you can do some pretty cool and interesting things with just a few bucks. I mean, as mentioned, I got these lights at Dollarama here in Canada, and they cost me just a few bucks, and you know, you can do some pretty cool stuff. I love the wired lights because I can shape them into basically anything. I can put them in such small spaces and illuminate it, and you know, they don't seem to break. I mean, you know, I would still be careful, but hell, even if it breaks, it was literally a couple of bucks, so well, it was $4 Canadian, so you know, still not a big deal. You know, the times we're in right now are definitely uncertain. Financially speaking, for a lot of us, and so you know, it's always good to have low-cost options that allow us to do these creative things and you know, make it work. These were just a few examples that you can do with these things, but I'm sure you can get a lot more creative and do some really just cool things with these types of lights, right? So, as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, see you soon. Thanks.